from where you live.
Well, it was very cold in the parts of the viewing area this morning. Where you stayed clear, you dropped to near 0. We dropped to 1 at Monticello, 2 Logansport, 4 Burlington, 4 Kokomo, 9 here at the station. But it was 14 at Crawfordzville and 15 at Frankfort, where the clouds hung on a little longer. And we've got a very similar situation tonight with kind of a fragmented low cloud deck that's trapped underneath a high pressure. We call this a dirty high pressure system. So where you see more clear skies tonight, 0, if not a few degrees below 0. If you hang on to a few more low clouds, more like 9 or 10. Notice it's 12 though at Atlanta and Kokomo, where the skies are generally clear. But 20 in Attica, 15 at the station here, and 19 at Fowler. And through the evening, again, kind of variably cloudy, but I think we may actually see this low cloud deck break up a little more, and we may see it decrease somewhat. So I'm going to go for 10 at 11 o'clock. And then overnight tonight, lows anywhere from a little below 0 to around 9 degrees. We've got light freezing rain in the forecast, though. I think you'll notice an increase in clouds, high mid-level clouds tomorrow, overcast as we get into Wednesday. Then Wednesday night, light freezing rain will overspread the area with light icing. Then it will change to all rain by early Thursday morning from south to north across the viewing area. It'll be kind of rainy on Thursday with areas of dense fog forming, but the heaviest rainfall is likely Friday night. Could even be a thunderstorm. Temperatures rising into the 50s, widespread dense fog, even with the wind, and this could lead to some localized flooding. And with this wet, fairly mild pattern right into mid-January, potential of localized flooding will increase. Tonight, though, no precip to speak of, and tomorrow, no precip. But I think what you'll notice tomorrow, though, is after a lot of sun in the morning, high and mid-level clouds will start to stream in from the southwest. You can see these here during the afternoon hours, and we'll turn generally overcast, I think, as we get into Wednesday. Then Wednesday night, the light freezing rain moves in as this moisture plume overspreads the viewing area, and that storm begins to approach, and it's going to bring much warmer weather. But Wednesday night icing, maybe a 1/10 to an 1/8 of an inch of ice here. Rochester, northern Cass up here towards Pulaski County. Notice Monticello area over here north of Peru, 800, so a 1/10 of an inch of ice. And the rest of the area, there's a thin glazing Wednesday night before it changes to all liquid rainfall as we get into Thursday. And here are the rainfall totals from Wednesday night right into Friday night. Notice 1 inch to 1.25 inches Lafayette, Crawfordsville, Frankfort, with otherwise a 1/2 to 1 inch area-wide. There's the forecast, though. 25, still cold tomorrow. 29 Wednesday. Freezing rain moves in Wednesday night with rising temperatures. A little rainy Thursday, rain Friday, perhaps a thunderstorm in 53. And then temperatures above normal, upper 30s. No hint of any big snow in this forecast, and really no hints of that through mid-January.